hitting that
I want an update. Ahora.
Tigre got you covered! Keep hitting that fort!
Danny, are you all right?
I'm good. Looks like this way's blocked. I'm gonna go for Benitez.
Do it! We'll find another way in and connect with you as soon as we can.
A guerrilla has made it inside. Find them. Kill them. If you're not dealing with a guerrilla inside, then you're killing guerrillas outside. Excelente! That tank was the most powerful weapon. Now it's time to kill these fake Yaran rats.
I see you!
Get the guerrilla! Follow protocol! You are all going to die here, and I will deliver your corpses to Presidente Castillo myself.
Release the poison!
This will all be over soon.
I need to stop. The poison being pumped in here.
Hey! Don't do that! Oh, you are going to fall!
Better watch my step.
Get the guerrilla! Follow protocol! Come on up, cobarde. You are all going to die here, and I will deliver your
Mierda.
corpses to Presidente Castillo myself.
Release the poison! Hey! Don't do that!
This will all be over soon.
Oh, you are going to fall!
What? That wasn't supposed to happen. How did they get to all the valves?
Guess I'll have to kill you myself!
Hey, baby tigre, you still there?
See? Seems to be fucking death around every corner here.
Then make sure you're on the other side of those corners.
Claro, el tigre.
You are trapped and have nowhere to go. You will die here alone.
¡Cállate!
Get me the fuck out of here! Help me!
Open my cell. You can do it in the control room.
Let us out! Come on!
I will not survive here.
Now how do I open the door? Benitez went in.
Go ahead. Release the fake Yaran rats. They will die, just like you.
Wait!
You think I wasn't ready for an attack
That's
like
on me.
this? Recibido. On the move!
This is for you!
Take cover!
Perfect timing!
Yo, Danny, this is fun.
Daddy is my middle name. Over here.
The guerrillas have found a way inside. Stop them. Páralos. If we fail today, the terroristas will have control of El Este. Hold here for as long as you can. I have ordered reinforcements. This is a bottleneck. You have the advantage here. Hold your positions and don't let any guerrillas through. Slay the fake Yan. I want all the guerrillas dead in the next 5 minutes. 5 minutos.
Fuck that shit.
Benitez, you're trapped! I break this fucking door down. Coño! Too thick. I can't open it. Do I look like a soldier to you? That thing is reinforced. I think a tank will be enough.
I can do that again.
Got it! Those cannons. We'll aim the cannons inside the fort. Synchronize the cannons so we can blast them open. Alright, get your ass out of the way. Hurry, Daddy! Get in that cannon! Yeah! Don't they
I will not surrender. Reinforcements are coming.
Clearly.
And here are my reinforcements.
boss, Benitez!
Ojo por ojo.
¡Viva la moral!
Couldn't have done this without you, Danny. That's not a smart move.
You should cut her down.
Why? It's what that bitch deserves.
You killed a soldier. Good for you. Except the thing about soldiers is there's always more of them.
See, Mama. Same mistakes. New faces.
You're just bitter because your revolution came and went and all you got was a fucking mountain.
Enjoy your trophy.
Benitez's private stash. Huh? Salud.
Enough with the pics.
Victory, Danny.
I thought I was Bebe Tigre.
Danny Roja will be bigger than El Tigre. You know why? Because your war will fucking end. Viva la moral!
Sí, viva la moral!
There's something about third world prisons. They make me hard.
As you can see, Mr. McKay, everything is under control.
Good old shakedown. I love it. Did they do it? Who the fuck cares?
The Admiral was a lamb. She did not have the stomach needed to deal with the terroristas. I would like you to consider expanding your operations.
Are you a legend? Open the cell.
With respect, el presidente has a strict...
Open it! Did you fight with Santos Espinosa in the 67 Revolution?
I drove a tank right through the doors of the Capitolio in the Battle of Esperanza. I was there when we took your grandfather. I watched him die.
Why did you hate him?
The only thing a Castillo has done for Yara is rape our land. And you will do the same thing now.
You don't know that.
I do! And if you loosen these chains, I will wrap my hands around your little throat and save Yara from another Castillo. Or you can do your country a favor and kill yourself.
We should have someone look at that mule.
It's not mine.